This is the best lip sync tool that you can use right now. It's completely free and open source. The tool is called Laten Sync, developed by ByteDance, the company behind TikTok. What makes this tool special is how it can take any video and perfectly sync it with any audio you want, creating incredibly realistic results that look natural and fluid. Unlike other AI tools that generate entire fake videos, Laten Sync only modifies the mouth movements while keeping everything else in the original video unchanged. This means you get much more realistic results, especially for things like facial expressions and body movements. Let me show you some powerful examples of what this tool can do.
Всем привет! Я снова рада вас видеть на своем канале, и мне безумно нравится то, что мы ведем этот прекрасный влог о моей жизни.
Are you a broke beauty like me that loves to gamble but doesn't have this money? Then you have to download Cash Bash. This slot game has a super high payout.
Cheguei faz um mês que eu cheguei. Sim. Primeira semana eu tava só descansando, só vida mansa. Foi.
Food, when it comes to relationships, and when it comes to the gym. Let's start about food. Food is really something really principal about my life because I've been trying a lot of food
for a long time. Also, this was the first time in Disneyland for both of us. We've never been to Disneyland in any other city. So
I've always seen them do paintings. I think it's really fun how they pick it up and they'll paint with their trunks. I really like to do paintings.
Found myself today singing out loud your name. You said I'm crazy.
I'm extrovert. I cannot stay at home. I want to go always outside. I want to be always outside. I cannot be at home. So that's why
when I was a kid, I feel like you heard the term, don't cry. You don't need to cry. Crying is the most beautiful thing you can do.
So one of my favorite stuff is doing the makeup. It's my really favorite hobbies, and the makeup I started when I was a kid.
One of the most impressive things about Laten Sync is that it doesn't require an extremely powerful computer to run. You can use it with most modern GPUs, and it processes videos relatively quickly compared to other AI tools. You have two ways to use this tool. First, you can run it locally on your computer. I've included all the necessary links with detailed installation guides in the video description. The setup process is straightforward, and once you have it running, you can create unlimited videos. But if you don't want to deal with installation, there's also a Hugging Face page where you can try it out online for free. This is perfect if you just want to test it out or create occasional videos without setting up the local version. The potential applications for this technology are huge, from creating multilingual content to educational videos, marketing materials, or even entertainment. Content creators can use this to fix audio issues in their videos or create multiple language versions of the same content. What do you think about this tool? Are you excited about using it? What would you create with it? Let me know in the comments. If you want to stay updated with the latest AI tools and developments like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm constantly testing and reviewing the newest AI technologies to bring you the most useful tools. And if you're interested in exploring more AI creativity tools, check out these two videos where I show you how to generate unlimited AI images and create AI voices.